Papu, Kanna, listen here. A metallic sphere of radius 16 centimeter is melted and recast into small spheres of radius 2 centimeter. How many small spheres can be obtained? So first a metallic sphere of radius 16 centimeter is melted. If they are using, that is recasting, that is melted. If you see this word, then you have to find out the volume. First you should know that. So a metallic sphere of radius 16 centimeter. So what is the radius here? 16 centimeter. This is recast into small spheres. So shapes are same only, but size are different. So the small sphere radius is what? 2 centimeter. This is what? 2 centimeter. How many small spheres can be obtained? First you collect the data. Since it is bigger in size, just let me take capital R. Otherwise R1. However you want, you can do it. R equal to 16 centimeter. What is this? Big sphere. What is it? Big sphere. This is for understanding. Then small sphere. Next one is what? Small sphere. Small r equal to 2 centimeter. You are melting it and recast into small spheres. You know the radius of each sphere, but you don't know the number. You don't know the number. Suppose if you are having a chain with 8 sovereign, you are making a chain, small chain with 2 sovereigns. Then how many chains you will make? How can you calculate? Since it is numbers are very small, you can say that it is 4 chains. Actually, what will you do? Number of chain you don't know, but you know the sovereign. With the 2 sovereign, how many chain you can make? From the 8 sovereign chain. From 8 sovereign chain, you are melting and recasting into 2 sovereign chain. How many chains? Then n equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. So number of chains is 4. So in the same way only you are going to do it. Do you follow? That is volume of the big sphere. Volume of the big sphere. Volume of big sphere equal to n into volume of one small sphere. Volume of a, you can write, otherwise 1. Volume of a small sphere. This is most important. Volume of 1 you are finding out. Do you follow? Because you know the radius. So volume of one small sphere. Here volume of a big sphere. So when you want to, then you can find out this number. So volume of the sphere. What is the formula to find out the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here I am using capital R since it is big sphere. Here n into 4 by 3 pi r cube, small r cube. So 4 by 3 pi get cancelled. Here capital R cube equal to n into small r cube. What is capital R? 16. So 16 cube equal to n into what is small r? 2. So 2 cube. So n you want to find out, isn't it? First you find out the value for this. Here what? N into 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. In the same way, 16 into 16 into 16. I told you up to at least 20 you should know the value. I taught you in the video how you can write it fast, how you can memorize, how you can write it fast. So 256. Here what is it? 256. In Vedic method also you can do it. Otherwise in the square method also you can do it. Area method. 10, 6. 10, 6. 10 into 10, 100. 10 into 6, 60. 6 into 10, 60. 6, 6 are 36. So 100. 60 plus 60, 120. Then 36. What is the answer here? 256. Do you follow? Into 16. The same way you can do it. Here what? 256. So 256. Here 10, 6. What you got to write? 200 into 10. That is 2000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. 2, 6 are 12. How many zeros? 2 zeros. 50 into 10. That is 5 into 1, 5. How many zeros? 2 zeros. 5, 6 are 30. But here what is there? 0. So 300. Without forgetting, you have to write the 0. Then 6 into 10, 60. 6, 6 are 36. You have to add this thing, isn't it? So 2000, 1200. That is 3200. 3200. Then 500 plus 300, 800. 60 plus 36, 96. 60, 70, 80, 90, 96. 6, 9, 8 plus 2, 10. Remainder 1, 4. So 4096. You want to find out the number n. Into 8. That means what? Divided by 8. When it comes to LHS, divided by 8. So that means you have to do the division. 4096 divided by 8. 5 8s are 40. Then you have to bring down this 9. 1 8 is 8. Remainder 1. 9 minus 8, 1. Then 6. 2 8s are 60. 0. So what is the answer? 512. N equal to, N is nothing but number of small spheres. N is nothing but number of small spheres. So number of small spheres equal to 512. Is it okay? Do you follow? So those are able to multiply it directly as usual. If you want to multiply, you do it. For the late bloomers purpose, I did this. Do you follow? So when you see the word melting, recasting, you have to find out the volume. And also while you are mentioning this radius, height, whatever it is, just you make out the difference. Either you can use R1, R2, or capital R, small R, capital H, small H, H1, H2, like that you can do it. Do you follow? And also for mensuration, wherever possible, there is a diagram. You have to draw a necessary diagrams. Even though they are not allotting the mark, it is better to draw the diagram if it is possible. Wherever possible, wherever needed, you have to draw the diagram. Is it okay?